Okay, I don't know what this is. It looks like a sewer cleanout. It's cast iron. Probably is. Meter. This is a PVC cleanout here by the front porch. This door was unlocked when I arrived at the inspection. Might as well start there. I locked it to keep the neighbors out. The door button works. It should be sealed. This is the front door. That's the doorbell. Vinyl double pane windows. Carbon monoxide alarm for these 3 bedrooms. We do not have a carbon monoxide alarm for the guest bedroom or the office over there. Coming in, the office door is locked, so all observations are made from the outside or the inside of the door. That door is identical to this door and the patio door. Well, yeah. This door and the patio door are missing the middle rail piece. So if this rail piece is missing on this door and the patio door, it's reasonable to assume that it's going to be missing on that guest bedroom office door. These windows are not an issue because this room has a door and the other room has a door. It's got a double cylinder deadbolt on it, but it does have a door. So since it has a double cylinder deadbolt, we'll get into that later. Master bedroom, fans, lights, master closet, ceiling fans work, smoke alarms in all the bedrooms, common areas, smoke alarms are in the appropriate locations. This is the indoor air handler. Some people call it the heater or the furnace. And it is. This is your evaporator coil. This is the furnace. They're 1 year old. 1 year old and no green tag, no building permit available. Okay? This is your B vent pipe. It should not be taped. This tape is not acceptable. This piping should fit on its own without help. Care and use manual is present. This is the primary evaporator drain line. There's no place for the secondary, so we have a safety switch, float switch. Okay, that's acceptable. Primary evaporator drain line should have a P-trap. And it should have been insulated. Air filters at. This is where we have a problem here. That's the air return down here, closer than 10 feet to the furnace. The door is not sealed. So, the way this furnace is ventilated, this furnace could spill carbon monoxide out. It gets sucked back and redistributed through the system throughout the entire house. So this door should be sealed if that return remains there. And the mechanical closet should be better ventilated. Okay? These screens on the makeup air vents are no longer acceptable. And I can't find where their supply is coming from. Hang on a second. Let's do some investigation. Okay, that's an unidentified organic substance right there. We had some moisture issues in here at one time. We'll look into that a little farther. This is the water heater. It's 8 years old, 2012. We're coming up on 2020. Cloth tape should not be on it. It's the same ventilation. The water supply lines should be insulated next to the tank. Okay, the T&P should be insulated. We're not seeing a care and use manual. Outside, we could determine where the T&P drain line drained to on the north side of the wall. We don't know where the safety pan drain line is draining to. I have absolutely no clue. I've been looking, I'll continue to look, but at this point in time, we don't know. Those are your mechanical closet issues. Middle bedroom, no door to the exterior. Window is higher than 44 inches. This has insufficient, and this is the way the house was built. It's not going to change. But just know that the emergency egress is insufficient for this bedroom, the other bedroom, the third bedroom, north, west bedroom. And since the guest bedroom has a double cylinder deadbolt, then that window's too high as well. Bathrooms with windows, articulate windows, operable windows, are not required to have vent fans. These bathrooms do. Oh, this looks relatively new. Probably should have walked through that way. Hall closets. We already mentioned the windows. That's the bathroom we just came out of. This double work. Smoke alarm, smoke alarm, smoke alarm, smoke alarm. Coming in here, this house does not have a fireplace. This is the thermostat on the north wall. Coming along here, doors, as I mentioned before. They're missing the side rail piece. This door has been broken into or damaged, so this rail is split along the latch sides here. Coming along here, I think some walls might have been moved in here, but I can't prove it. I mean, I can't see it. I can't make that determination. I just have a gut feeling. Now, right here, power this baby up. We got a blemish on the ceiling. A water blemish. And I bring infrared up, and I'm not getting a moisture marker at all. Okay, we were in the attic earlier. We saw some possible culprits, but none. This is called a hydro shark. That's my skin. Oh, my watch is buzzing. What does that mean? Okay, so we already have some damage up here, but I'm going to do a little pin. This will detect like any moisture, and it's not. It's just quiet as can be. This is dry, dry, dry at this point in time. I'm going to find out what it's about. This is the laundry. The beauty trim ring is missing, and also you'll notice that the drain hole is plugged, so we really don't, since they've installed this and brought it on new, we really don't have a history of performance. This door should have a self-closing spring on it. It goes out into the garage. This is the garage attic access ladder, and this is the garage pedestrian door to the patio. I think there's going to be some redundancy, it being the attic thing. There's a nice air gap at the top of this door here. We'll close this. Apologize for my fancy production values. Coming along here, this is a gas range. Dishwasher. I cannot operate the dishwasher. I'm using the instructions. It doesn't look like it's getting power to it. It looks like it's been used, operated. There's moisture in it. This guy was wet. The seller should demonstrate that. It's called a foul line, F-O-U-L. That's where the cooties hide, bacteria. Trim ring we're missing from the dishwasher ice maker connection. If this vent fan blows harder, sucks harder, moves more than 400 psi of air, then makeup air should be included to the living structure. Otherwise, it'll draw its air from the mechanical closet over there. This is the guest bathroom. Nothing comes on. I have to check the breaker box. Guest bedroom. Again, I cannot open it because I do not have a key for that. And I assume it's like the other two.